bone-in Wagyu ribeye, cowboy style, straight on the coals. We'll see how it goes. Okay, time to flip. It's been about a minute. Oh man. And I think that's pretty well rare enough for me.